This technology is very fragile. The infrastructure is very complex. Also, for the human point of view, is to incorporate this way of thinking, the new paradigm in the computation, making adopt the industry this technology to be confident. But we are having huge differences in this sector.
This is important because of the geopolitics you are seeing. This is important because this is strategy happening from an industrial point of view. And this is something that has impact. And we are at European level, and this is currently happening for sovereignty. This is also on our head of big industrial.
It has been exciting to see how these different stakeholders are now excited about going forward and looking forward to this next-gen computing and to all the opportunities and the economic growth we can have here. So, to conclude this wonderful week, we made it happen. We made it big and beautiful. Thank you very much for all of you for joining, and see you next year at VivaTech.